Welcome, divine souls, to Voice of Light, your sacred space for soul alignment, manifestation, and truth awakening. Today, we are exploring a powerful yet misunderstood method of manifestation and inner reprogramming: robotic affirmations. Let's begin with the most important question: what are robotic affirmations? Robotic affirmations are affirmations that are repeated over and over in a neutral, monotone, emotionless voice, almost like a machine or robot. There is no emotional force behind them, no intense visualization, no high vibration required. Just one simple affirmation repeated again and again, like a key gently tapping the door of your subconscious until the door opens. Why just one affirmation? This is where the real magic begins. In robotic affirmation practice, we don't use 10 different affirmations at once. We choose just one single powerful truth, and we let the one seed sink deep into the subconscious mind. Now, the question is why? Because the subconscious mind learns through repetition, not variety. Think about it. If you repeat 20 different affirmations, you divide your focus. But if you repeat one affirmation 500 or 1000 times, it becomes a command, a mental code the subconscious starts to accept as reality. It's like training a muscle. You don't lift 20 different weights at once. You lift one with consistency until strength is built. How it works in the mind. Let's understand how robotic affirmations work from a mind science perspective. The conscious mind might say, "This isn't working. I don't believe this. This feels fake." But subconscious mind doesn't argue. It doesn't judge. It doesn't need you to believe. It simply accepts whatever it hears consistently and without resistance. That's the power of robotic affirmations. By repeating the same phrase over and over in a flat, steady tone, you are bypassing the emotional resistance of the conscious mind and going straight into the programming layer, the subconscious mind. Why no emotion is needed? This might feel confusing. We have always been told, say it with feeling, visualize, feel the emotion. Yes, those methods work too. But when your emotions are blocked, when you feel low, when belief is missing, robotic affirmations allow you to program anyway. They don't depend on how you feel, they depend on how often you say it. Because to the subconscious mind, repetition is the truth. Here's how you can start using robotic affirmations. Choose one affirmation only. Make it short, simple, and in present tense. For example, I am safe, money flows to me easily, I love and accept myself. Say it repeatedly, out loud or mentally. Use a flat, calm, robotic tone. Don't try to feel anything, just repeat. You can also record your voice or use a robotic AI voice and play it in a loop. Use headphones or play it in the background. Listen while walking, or especially during sleep. Yes, it still works while you sleep. The subconscious mind never sleeps. Stick with one affirmation for days or weeks. Give your subconscious time to accept the new truth. Don't rush to change affirmations every day. One command at a time is powerful. In today's busy world, our minds get filled with doubts, stress, and negative self-talk. Robotic affirmations offer an easy, effective way to clear out that mental clutter and replace it with positive, empowering beliefs. They are perfect for anyone wanting to improve self-confidence, reduce anxiety, or just cultivate a winning mindset. Remember, if regular affirmations are not working for you, this is the best time to try robotic affirmations and experience the difference yourself. People have used robotic affirmations to manifest unexpected money, heal from deep insecurities, build self love and confidence, attract love and soul connections, rewire decades of limiting beliefs. And the best part is, you don't need to feel good to make them work, you just need to repeat. If you are someone who feels blocked during emotional affirmations, doesn't always believe what you are saying, struggles with focusing on many thoughts at once, then robotic affirmations are for you. They are calm, quiet, consistent, powerful. They let you program your reality like a code, just like a computer follows the input. Your mind follows what you use the most. So, divine souls, if you are ready to rewire your mind, reset your energy, and recreate your reality, let's begin together, one affirmation at a time. On this channel, I will be sharing daily robotic affirmation videos tailored for different goals like boosting confidence, attracting success, or managing stress. So, if you want to improve your mindset with the power of robotic affirmations, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a session. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video with your friends. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of affirmations you want next. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. So let's program it for success with robotic affirmations. See you in the next video. Thank you.